Now we are going to the third concept. The conditions for the general second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. To represent a circle, real circle, the conditions are a equal to b not equal to 0. That means coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square not equal to 0. H is equals to 0. That means coefficient of xy is 0. Third one, g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. So the conditions for the general second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 to represent a real circle are a is equals to b not equal to 0, h is equals to 0, g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. So the given equation we are rewriting as dividing the whole equation by a on both the sides. So ax square by a plus 2hxy by a plus by square by a 2g by a into x 2f by a into y plus c by a equals to 0. Okay, now ax square by a will be cancelled. You will get x square plus 2h by a xy plus b by a y square plus 2g by a x plus 2f by a y plus c by a equals to 0. So let us take g dash is equals to g by a, f dash is equals to f by a, c dash is equals to c by a. So let us consider g dash is equals to g by a, f dash is equals to f by a, c dash is equals to c by a. Now the complete equation will be into the form x square plus 2h by a xy plus b by a y square 2 into g dash x plus 2 into f dash y plus c dash equals to 0. Now when you compare this equation with our general equation, just before this class we discussed, when you compare with this equation with the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Here if you see, the coefficient of x square 1, coefficient of y square is also 1. So coefficient of x square should be equals to coefficient of y square. So first condition, coefficient of x square is equals to coefficient of y square. Here coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of y square is b by a. That implies b equals to a into 1 a. So a is equals to b. Condition 1 we got. Second one, here no xy term in this. That means here xy coefficient is 2h by a. That must be 0. Coefficient of xy is equals to 0. Here coefficient of xy is 2h by a, which is 0. Okay, and moreover coefficient of x square is, just now we discussed that a is equals to b and both are not equals to 1, 0. So a is equals to b not equal to 0. Here a is cannot be 0. So it is possible only when h is equals to 0. Next, third condition. What is given? 2gx plus 2fa plus c equals 0. Then
we know the condition just now we discussed before concept. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a real circle if and only if g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. So as per this condition, g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash greater than or equals to 0. So g dash we consider as g by a, f dash we consider as g dash we consider as g by a, f dash we consider as f by a, c dash we consider as c by a. So we can replace those values here. G dash whole square, that is g square by a square, f dash whole square, that is f square by a square, minus c dash whole square, that is c dash c by a greater than or equals to 0. So if you take the LCM, g square plus f square a times, right, a square, so a into c, ac greater than or equal to 0. So we got the condition g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. So all the three conditions we got. The first condition is a equals to b not equal to 0. Second condition, h is equals to 0. Third condition, g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. So therefore the conditions for the general second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 to represents a real circle if and only if a equal to b not equal to 0, h is equals to 0, and third condition, g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. So this is one condition. Next, in this video only we are going to discuss about the next concept, the equation of the circle having x1 y1 and x2 y2 as the extremities of the diameter. So the equation of the circle if you know the extremities of the diameter x1 y1 x2 y2. So if you know the extremities of the diameter, if AB is a diameter, A is one end point, B is another end point of the diameter. If we know the end points of the diameter, then the equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle when you know end points of the diameter. Let us take A x1 y1, B x2 y2. If we know end points of the diameter, how to find the equation of the circle? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So how to derive this equation? Let us take any point on the circumference of the circle. Say suppose some x comma y p. Let us take a point P on the circumference of a circle. Now if we join to A to B. Now we know that diameter divides the circle into two semicircles. So we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So angle APB is 90 degrees. Angle APB is 90 degrees. So we know that when two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equals to -1. You know that when two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes will be equals to -1. So we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So therefore we got angle APB is 90 degrees. And also we know that when two lines are perpendicular, or two lines or two segments, whatever it may be. If they are perpendicular, product of their slopes is -1. Slope formula we know that y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. So based on that formula, slope of PA into slope of PB equals to -1. Very easy proof it is. Slope of PA into slope of PB equals to -1. Slope of PA, y minus y1, that is these two, y coordinates difference by x coordinates difference, y minus y1 by x minus x1 into, similarly y minus y2 PB, slope of PB, y minus y2 by x minus x2 equals to -1. Okay, now y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. So y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. Bring this to left hand side, it becomes x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So this represents the equation of the circle when they are given endpoints of the diameter, or x1 y1 and x2 y2. If you know two points as extremities of the diameter, then the equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So this represents the equation of the circle with x1 y1 and x2 y2 as diameter, as extremities of the diameter.